Our commitment to building a peaceful and more secure world, as espoused in the United Nations Charter, as well as our commitment to the implementation of Agenda 2030, the Paris Agreement on climate change, and the ongoing reform processes of the United Nations resonate very well with the theme, making the United Nations relevant to all people. Africa's demand for true permanencies with all the rights and prerogatives of current members, including the right of veto and 2 additional non-permanent seats, is a matter of common justice, and the right to have an equal say in decision-making on issues that affect the Africa region. It is time that we addressed these long-standing injustice and imbalance perpetrated by the present configuration of the Security Council without any further delay.
Thank you, Mr. President! Thank you, Mr. President!
Over 2 decades, you see a very young president for the very first time. He gave a speech. At every point in time, the audience, they clapped, they applauded because he spoke from his heart. He spoke about Africa. He spoke about the reform of the United Nations. People were very happy and very pleased. In fact, when we were coming out, ministers from other countries were coming to him and say, thank you very much, he spoke for us as Africans.
President Bio made a very strong statement, particularly when it comes to Africa being accepted at the UN Security Council and Africa having a permanent seat. And here we have a lot of Sierra Leoneans who came out today to just show their support for the president and appreciate what he has done in just this short time he has been president of the Republic of Sierra Leone.
Concerned Sierra Leoneans, interest groups in Sierra Leone, businessmen, we all know now we stand in solidarity with His Excellency because this time the platform we believe that for showcase with President, showcase with nation.
We don't see how people they suffer, but with this new education with Maada in new direction, we're really happy, and as a result we there for support and to the big time. Thank you, Mr. President.
President Bio and the president who believe say will move Sierra Leone into the new direction. They don't say when we country they suffer in the hands of corrupt politicians. President Bio is not a politician, but a savior we come for safe Shalom.
You have a president, after delivering his speech, he had security people around him, but he told them, I want to come and see my people, wave to them, greet them. That's what he did.